Guys, welcome back to my channel. Starting off this new year with a very healthy sweet potato hash recipe. First of all, a very happy new year to everyone. So I thought let's begin January on a healthy note, and today I'm gonna bring you this healthy sweet potato hash recipe perfect for a breakfast. So let's get started. First, you wanna heat some olive oil in a skillet. Once the oil shimmers perfectly, next you wanna add some chopped red onions to this and cook them over very low heat for 2 minutes until they turn translucent in color. And once that's done, next you wanna add some minced garlic along with some chopped up sweet potatoes. So here I'm adding chopped up sweet potatoes. They do not need any boiling before you add them. Just add raw chopped sweet potatoes and saute them for 2 minutes. And once you have sauteed them, next add the spices. I'm adding onion and garlic powder, some black pepper and also some smoked paprika. You can skip the paprika if you are not into spicy food early in the morning. It's totally up to your preference. And once you have tossed them perfectly and they turn perfectly caramelized, next you want to add some chopped up tomatoes here. You can add bell peppers or spinach or kale as well. It's totally up to you. You can add any amount of veggies. Deglaze the pan with a bit of water and let it simmer over very low heat for 5 minutes so that the sweet potatoes get perfectly tenderized. Season with some salt and pepper as per your taste and let it simmer for 5 minutes so that they get perfectly tenderized and cooked. Once that's done, next crack up some eggs and add the whole eggs into the skillet. You do not want to cook the eggs before adding them. Just adding them over this simmering pot of sweet potatoes and veggies will get them perfectly cooked. And there you go, this is ready in no time. Isn't it looking like a perfect gourmet breakfast ready in your home's kitchen within no time? Trust me, this is such an easy and healthy recipe. After you've seasoned the eggs with some salt and pepper, this is ready to go. Just top with some chopped cilantro. You can also top with some chopped avocados as well, or also serve with some guacamole on the side, and this is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe for healthy sweet potato hash. Do give this a try, and if you have any questions, post it below in the comment section. Find the full recipe and all the measurements in the description box below. Happy cooking!